Crisp leaves underfoot, the scent of cinnamon in the air, it's time to dive into the world of Autumn Bates. A certified clinical nutritionist, personal trainer, and wellness coach, Autumn is your guide to a healthier, happier you. Unravel the secrets of good nutrition, discover the joy of movement, and find balance in your daily life. From the science of intermittent fasting to the art of crafting the perfect meal, Autumn's expertise spans wide, bridging the gap between knowledge and application. She's not just about diets and workouts, she's about sustainable habits, holistic wellness, and most importantly, making health a lifestyle, not a chore. So whether you're a seasoned wellness enthusiast or just starting your journey, Autumn Bates is here to help you navigate the path to better health. Tune in, take notes, and transform your life one step at a time. Remember, wellness is not a destination, it's a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. End of voiceover.